My name is Ellayna Lenzen. I am the Asset Protection Senior Specialist for the Eau Claire market, and I've been with Festival for 6 years. Yeah, so I started as a cashier at the Marshfield store back in 2017. I just wanted a job while I was in college, and so I joined Festival back home actually in Marshfield, and then during the school year I worked here in the Eau Claire market, and so I was cashiering here, and I then moved to wine and spirits night lead, and then from there I went on to shift managing, and then once I graduated college during the pandemic, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. So I got a full-time job with Festival as grocery assistant manager, and with that I started interning in HR. When the asset protection position opened in this market, I went for it because I also went for criminal justice. So I tried to use as much of my school knowledge and my work knowledge as I could and found my home in AP. No little kid dreams about working in a grocery store for the rest of their life, but I know so many people throughout my 6 years here, myself included, that they started with this company, didn't really imagine it turning into a career, but there's so many career opportunities here, and I think that if you're open to it, there's a lot of good that can come from just getting your foot in the door.